Hey, I'm Brad Devaney. I want to take you on a little flash tour of our facility, our shop, where we hand build our customers' passions. So once we've designed the bike with a customer, we're going to cut the tubes, and it's all spec aerospace grade titanium tubing. We're going to create that tube set, do all of the forming here in-house. After the forming comes the machining. The machining of our tube sets, we're looking for absolute minimal to no gaps. The construction of the frame is critical, and the weld capability of that tube set is critical to the precision of the mitering. Within our capabilities, we do a little bit more than just build bikes here. So the tube fabrication is very, very specific to each and every order. We can manipulate wall thicknesses, shapes, and go into a level of engineering that titanium frame builders typically can't provide. Also in that goes all the way out to when we badge a bike. We've actually created, we use our scrap drop pieces of tubing to create our own badges. It's our way of recycling and putting a quality badge on each and every bike. One of our core competencies that sets us apart from other bike builders is our machining capability. Whether we're machining frame parts, dropouts, cable guides, pivots, whatever the case may be, our need within the bicycle frame design and the engineering that we put into it, we're able to make it. Beyond that, we also can make our own tooling. So we're a very self-reliant, small company that's hand-building bikes, hand-building tools, and all the processes it takes to build the top-level, top-quality bike. If you ever happen to be in Chattanooga, Tennessee, please stop in and see us. We'd love to take you on a tour, see the entire design and build process of our titanium bikes.